A major step forward for energy in South Carolina. Leaders at the local, state, and national levels cut the ribbon on an energy facility at USC Aiken today. Graham Lee takes us there.
The Advanced Manufacturing Collaborative Project is a culmination of hard work over the past 13 years. U.S. Energy Secretary Wright came down from Washington Thursday to help open this state-of-the-art facility. Secretary Wright joining Senator Lindsey Graham, Congressman Joe Wilson, and SRS Director Johnny Green for the announcement. The facility will be run by SRS on campus at USC Aiken. School leaders say this will enhance the educational experience for students.
Students and faculty will now be able to engage directly with cutting-edge projects alongside renowned scientists and industry partners.
But the impact is expected to be even bigger. Secretary Wright is calling the new facility the next Manhattan Project, aiming to push America forward as the global leader in artificial intelligence.
If we had let Nazi Germany get weapons ahead of us, if we didn't move fast, we would have got second. We'd be in a different world today. With data centers and artificial intelligence, we need to lead.
Senator Graham says the project also plays a part in building nuclear reactors around the country, a step the U.S. needs to take to keep up with the competition.
And what they've done in America, what we've done, we've made it too damn hard to do anything big. And the other parts of the world are doing big things, leaving us behind. That's going to change.
As the AI race continues, leaders say the facility will help with projects here at home and bring local jobs to the area.
We'll be working with academia and private sector partners to look at automation, additive manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and chemical separations to advance these technologies.
If you want to lift the income of the people in this area and create thousands, tens of thousands of new jobs, data centers and the renaissance of nuclear energy are perfectly suited for right here.
Secretary Wright says out of these 16 facilities nationwide, this one is leading the way for energy, calling it a major step forward for the county, the state, and the country. In Aiken, Graham Lee, WJBF, News Channel 6.